Today I'm replacing the high-pressure fuel pump on my Chevy, and before I begin, it is always very important to depressurize the fuel system. Even at idle, the fuel rail pressure can be around 700 psi. That's a lot of pressure, and so skipping this step could be dangerous. I don't have a fancy scan tool to send the depressurize fuel system command to the ECU, so instead I'm going to use a simple trick with the fuel pump fuse. On my Chevy, that's fuse number 25 labeled FPPM, which stands for Fuel Pump Power Module, and it's this 30 amp fuse right here. Next, we're going to start the engine and then pull out the fuse. This will shut off the fuel pump and allow the engine to use up the remaining fuel in the lines, which helps relieve most of the pressure in the system. The engine will continue running for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then it will eventually stall. At that point, the fuel system should be depressurized and safe to work on. Before you continue, don't forget about other important safety tips. Disconnect the negative battery cable, work in a well-ventilated area, keep sparks and open flames away, and have a fire extinguisher nearby. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please give it a like. I'd really appreciate it.